Hello everyone, welcome to Skywell Community India, the info session in English. And we meet every month, once in English with the English language and once in Hindi language. So let's start with me, all the updates regarding the projects, regarding the Skywell Community India, Smart World Community India, the projects what we are supporting like Utera, UST, updates, including it will have the journal information also for all of whomsoever is a new partner here, and who are the existing partner, they will have the updates in the middle of every section. So let's start. So Skyward Community India, we are today, the date is 16th of August 2024. First of all, belated Happy Independence Day. So myself, Paru Sharma, Speaker and Community Manager at SWC India, who are meeting me first time. And this is my certification of achievement, and I'm proud to be as a community manager for SWC for India. So I am the only one community manager in India, and I'm feeling very proud to be on that post. She is Miss Kat Jacobs. If we talk about her, she is a top expert according to the partner program in Skywell Community, and she is a curator of India. If I define the word curator, it means the person who is responsible for all the official activities in India on the behalf of Skywell Community. So every word, every post you are seeking from her side, you are getting from her side, from my side, they are all official news. You can rely on that. You can trust on those news. In her personal life, she is having a 23 years of experience of leadership. She is a consciousness coach also and the motivational speaker. Now we will talk about the purpose of the event, that why we are here, why we are giving our energies for this info session. So it is to inform you about the opportunities, what we offer, plus all the updates for the project, what we are supporting, how far we have reached, what we are doing now, at what stage we are working. So every news and updates you will get in this info session. So moving ahead, this presentation will be in 3 parts. In the first part, you will have an introduction about the Smart World Community Educational Platform, which is free for everybody of our community. I will walk you through all the details about Smart World Community, what is it, how you can join it. Then we will have an introduction about Uniski String Technology. That is one of the major project what we are supporting this time along with Utera. And then in the third part, we will have the question answer from your side. I will be happy to receive your questions, and I will try my level best to answer them so that there will be no doubt or anything will be left in your mind and you can understand the project very well. So first of all, what is Skyward Community? So it is a large international social and financial ecosystem specializing in the financing of green tech technologies. And we partner and support in the development of international technological startup. So our slogan is living in style, a new level of community, a new level of partners, where we connect with the like-minded people who wants to grow along with the team. So first of all, I would like to ask you one question, that if you see this picture, so what is the first word which is coming in your mind? You can write it in a chat. I will be happy to receive your answer there. So if you ask me, so I can see that there are many people of different age, different genders, but they have the one goal in their life, that is a success. They all want to have a success. They all seeing it from different directions, but their path and their final destination is the same, which is the success. So now we will talk about that, how we can achieve it, what we can do about it, and how Skywell Community can help you to achieve it. So SWC is a community of the people which is united by strong ideas and the meanings. Now, why is now the time for communities? Why we are talking about it? What influences this? So first of all, we all know, we all have heard about the decrease in energy level, burnout, problem of self-determination. Definitely, we all somewhere feel that we don't know the worth of ourselves. Sometimes it happens, there is a phase of the life when we start feeling, okay, what is the worth of us, and what is the maximum skill we have, at which skill we are excellent. So there is a problem of a self-determinations. And according to our survey, this is a result of a survey, that the 70% of the people in the world feel alone. They don't have the community or the surrounding of the like-minded people where they can discuss about the success, the goals, or what they want to achieve in their life, what are their strategies to achieve that. They don't find the people who can influence them, or to other people also, that they are not able to determine that what is my actual community, where I can find my type of people. So the community is one of the key human needs. We all need it. Definitely, we all need it. So there is one crisis you all have heard about, that is an economic crisis. An economic crisis is economic inequality in society stratification, which is a sharp decline in share of a middle class. So what is it? That the richer are becoming richer, right? And the poor are not bothered about that. They don't have any strategy, or they don't have any goals. They don't want to get anything. They don't think about it. But the middle class have their goals. They know what they want, but the challenge is that they don't know how to get it. So Skywell community is fill that vacuum when you don't have a knowledge that how you can achieve it. So we are here to help you with that thing. So first of all, I would like to know that which professions do you think will soon disappear because of a robotization or AI? This is a era of this. So which professions do you think that will soon disappear? According to our survey, so there are the few in the hit list, like the sellers, call center operators, like it's going on with the IVRs, and miners, aircraft pilots, accountants, courier, cashiers, taxi driver, guides. So they will be disappear first. So what we can do? Should we wait that our profession will be disappear and to jump to other profession? No, we have to be excellent at our skill. If we are excellent at our skill, no robotization, no AI can replace us. Make yourself irreplaceable so that these technology you can use to enhance your skills, not as a substitute of yours. Then we will talk about environmental crisis. Yes, we do give you the solution for this crisis also. First of all, we all know about the overconsumption of natural resources, non-recyclable and unsorted waste, emissions, air, land, and water pollution. So these all are there, but the project what we are supporting will give you the solution for this crisis also. Now, one major and very trendy crisis is going on, which is an information crisis. What is information crisis? So it is actually when the informations are overloaded and a large number of unverified, unreliable facts. So, and why it is important to talk about this? Because scope of information we encounter on a daily basis is growing. Yes, we do have our Android phone, iPhone. So how 100 of applications we installed in that, and just for the 5 minutes you put your phone on table and you will you will start getting the notification, ting, 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 and it's going on. So when you encounter so many information on a daily basis, so therefore reliability is often lost. Sometimes you don't know that to whom you can trust, what is the right information, what is wrong, what is truth, what is false. So you can't get it. So when the effectiveness of decision is noticeably reduced, it's called the information of crisis. There are so many information, but the ability to decide what is right and what is wrong is decreasing day by day because information is overload. And with a lots of information, but we don't know where to go, we like the clueless. So there is a time that to shake off the weight of the negative trends, let's go back to the here and now and turn to your neighbor on your left and start talking. So it means that start talking to the people. Definitely you will start making your community, or you will start getting the people which have like-minded you, who have the goals, who want success, who wants to make good strategies. So first of all, you can start with a very initial communication, that who you are, what do you do, any unusual fact, your hobby, about yourself. You can start with these points, and then you can see that you will having the good community. So the sincere communication is unification, and the future is already here. The main positive trend is unification. All information should be short and very to the point. It should not be very lengthy with the text and some information from here and there, and then you will make any news. Nothing. It should be very short and very verified. So main goal in SkyWorld community development is to build a single trusting space for the like-minded people with entry through training where the community member will feel their personal growth, find a strong environment and get the financial motivation they need. So for everything, you have a solution here. But sometimes I also encounter this thing. The people say when I approach to new people to join it, they say, okay, we are alone, what we can do. No, you are not alone because one partner can attract 6 new ones. So with this foundation, with this vision, still now at this time, we have over 6 lakh partners worldwide in a 182 countries on 25 languages. So there is no boundary of restriction, or you can say that there is no challenge of language. We are in more than 182 countries. We are on 25 languages. So there is nothing they have left to give you the excuse that our language is different, our community is different, we are from this country. No, you are not alone. You still have ability to attract 6 new ones with you and having your own community. So the SWC community has all the conditions for your growth in your personal life, in your professional life. How? Because environmental of like-minded people, as I'm saying it again and again, a regional chat room will be there where you can discuss your ideas, and the channel or social media channels also, the chat channels where you can discuss, where you can read about the content, where you can read about the news, all the updates, and also sharing your experience, as well as the opportunity to be among the first to know all the official company news. When you will be on the right platform or official channel, you will have all the news, verified news, and you will not have a information crisis. You will be having a right and uh, truth news. So the SWC community has everything you need to grow, professional and personal, regular useful broadcast on Telegram, Instagram, Zoom, like I'm doing this time in English, for the new knowledge and exchange of experiences. I have exchanged my experience, like it was a great training to be a community manager. It was a pan-India level training selection. I got selected and it boosted my self-esteem. Yes. So you're not never alone. So you have all the skills, you just need to determine yourself. And when you can't do it yourself, you can take a help of our community, because here we give you every opportunity or every chance to grow in your personal and professional life. So what other things we are doing with SWC community? So we also do the participation in events. So in the international travel forums are there, conferences, trips to inspire, learn, and drive further development. Major regional to scale up local business in other countries or in India also, like business breakfast, marathons, environmental actions for sharing experience and the mutual contribution. You can see the picture on the right hand side. They are the pictures from our events. Lifestyle events are also we do for sharing pastime and emotions. So you can learn here, you can enjoy your leisure time here, you can make your future goals here, you can improve your personality, you can improve your passive income sources. So it has all. So I would like to ask you that which of you would like to try your hand at one of the roles? What you think that you are at excellent? Because we are here with the opportunities to express, you have opportunity to express oneself and grow professionally through new roles. We have here the opportunity of speaker. You can be a speaker in SWC, you can be a mentor, you can be a community manager in your city or in your country, or you can be an event organizer. Soon we will organize a big events also. So you can, if you are good with the facilitating people, if you are good in that thing, organizing events, so you can be event organizer also. So you just need to reach to us. We will give you our mail ID also, our contact details also. So whenever these opportunities are there, you can fill the forms, you can go with the training, you can get your certification after the training and after doing assignments. And then when you get the certification, you will be the one. So these will be, there are few pipelines also which will be implemented in the near future. like a chatbot, an automated person assistant with all links, materials, and tools you need to grow and scale. It's I think and it's already implemented. Like if you log in your back office, on the right hand side, you will see it that if you click on the right hand side, there is a live chat also. So in according to India time, morning 11 a.m. till evening 6:30, they are there. If you have any thing you want to know, then you regarding back office, regarding your bonuses or anything, you can go there and you can ask them and they will reply you. SWC Updating also, which is a platform for business networking, experience sharing, and event participation. A new game system, it is also there now, where you can accumulate points for useful actions and exchange them for the training from SWC for the further training. Marathon, sorry, it's called Marathon Games this time, and you can join it. If you join our official channels, you will get the link to join the marathon also. There you can do the assignments or there are tasks also. If you do it, the points will be accumulated and then you will win the great prizes also. Offline desktop game for pumping financial thinking, save the planet. So this is something which will be implemented in near future, and it's in a pipeline. So this is the one section we have completed, and your feedback is very important to us. The further slide, the next slide will be the scanner of a one Google form. If you scan it, this is a scanner. You can scan it, or the links also. The team member will put it in a chat. You can copy paste from there. So this is it will be redirected to the NPS form, which is a Google form. There you need to give the rating to this presentation, to speaker, to information which I'm giving to you. And then you will have an amazing prizes. You just notify us that, okay, I have filled the form. You give your register mail ID to us. And then our curator, Ms. Kat, will send you the best deals and offers in your back office. So this is a process. So what you need to do, if you are watching recording, you can see it and put the comments below. If you are live here, then you can scan it, and after this info session, you can fill it. But watching the recording to be present in the live session is most important. Now we are in a second part, so which is a Smart World community of our info sessions. So what is this? So SkyWorld community, I hope everybody have understood it. So it is Smart World community is an adaptation and the training platform, which is free of charge for anyone who is our partner. So if you are registered in SWC Sky World community with the same credential, mail ID, login ID, and the password, you can log in Smart World community also. We will give you the link in the chat. So what is this? But here you will get how it will be help you to grow. So let's talk about it. So Smart World community is a Turkey ecosystem with our own IT platform that allows you to become part of global community, fully developing and improving your professional skill and competences. How? We will discuss it in further slides. Like courses from international experts allow you to adopt global practice and incorporate their experience into your life. So here you will get, if you are a member of a SkyWorld community, in a Smart World community, free of charge, you will get a courses, the basic courses from experts. And then if you go in advanced stages, then there are other things also. If you do your assignments, if you get selected, so there are the process of trainings. So raise your hand. What is one of the major role what Smart World community is doing, and many existing partners or leaders or experts who don't know about the main benefit or advantage of Smart World community. I'm going to tell you about this because it will help you to reduce your working hours. Yes, it will help you to reduce your working hours and more returns. How? So please listen carefully because it will play a very important role, Smart World community, to help you out to handle your team and for the best work strategy. So first of all, let me know, or you can raise your hand who have own team. You can have 10 people, 100, 500, 1,000. So putting together such a team is a hard work, which is a time consuming. We all know it. Because when you bring any partner, it comes with so many questions, right? They need support, they need information, explanation, care, everything. And that's our prime responsibility to give it to them, because on our trust, they come join this community and we are representing this community. So we should be humble and available for them. But at a certain point, we are also human being, one mouth, two hands, right? So sometimes we encounter the same questions every time, like 1%, 2%, 3%, because every new person have some common questions, which we call the FAQs, like the link, like the how to use back office, or something, first how to use personal account back office, or chat room, or installment plan, lump sum plan, what I will get, best, what are the documents, certification, everything. So with the so many questions, sometimes we feel, okay, we have only 24 hours, I'm a lone person and I can't reply. If it is a new question, okay, it's enhancing my knowledge also. So let's start searching for the answer. But if it is the same questions, so we are human being, it happens, right? So how many new clients can you bring to the project in a month? So just to make your goal, okay, I'm alone can bring 10 people, 20 people, 30 people. And if the team starts numbering in 1,000, like you have a 1,000, 2,000, like our Miss Cat Jacobs, she's a curator and she's having a team of 15,000 people with her. 15,000 people. Definitely, she needs the work fundamental, or what we say, the work strategy, how to distribute the work, how to gather the team, right? So it should be systematic. So we feel with the so many questions, okay, we are okay, but we are not, because so many questions we missed. If we miss the question, if we miss the follow, so definitely we miss the opportunity to attract that person or to make them to join our community. So how do you train everyone well without wasting a huge amount of energy? This is the question. And at the same time, increase the result continuously. This is something which every time every leader have in their mind. And at the same time, increase the results all the time. So it should not be for 1 month, 2 months, it should be forever. So they should be trained on them. How we can train our new partners on them. So that's the Smart World community have been made. And this is a homepage when you log in with the link of Smart World community. Credential, I told you, if you are registered with SkyWorld community with the same credential, login ID and the password, you can join here. So it was created in order to facilitate and automate the work of the partners in order to multiply the result, because there are function systems where your partner can get all the basic FAQs answered very well. The people are there to help them and they will have the answer. They will be well informed. So when your team grows and becomes stronger, when the people in it have the right information. So this is a basic thing. If you have a team, everyone should have a uniform information and they should be very updated. And the better the people in your structure are trained, the better you communicate to them. We start with the communication. The more development you, your team, your community, your region will achieve. So communication, the initial communication is the something which will decide how your further team will be. If your initial communication is strong, is to the point, then automatically your structure, your partner structure will have all the strongest thing. Because with no knowledge, we feel weak, and with the full of knowledge, we feel that we are powerful. No, so anybody can ask us anything. We will be able to answer them. And this thing comes with only when you have knowledge. So on how well you convince the first person in your team depends how well they convince the next person and on their own. So the structure will grow like this. This person has the right information. He spread this information or she spread this information to 3 people. And this information should be uniform. It should be one with everyone. This person will forward it to 3 people, this person to other 3 people, this person will other 3 people. So alone this person has the 9 people with him or her, but along with the structure. How to train 1,000 people per month? Give them a working system. Yeah. So if you have a good working system, the people will get trained on their own, and then you will have a good team, and then you can start focusing on more results. So this is up to you. You can decide what is more profitable to you. 10 people per month, wasted personal time, small inflow. 1,000 people per month, free time, big inflow. Because I have introduced the Smart Work community to you, and now you can take the decision to join it. It's a very simple. If you are a Skywell community member, you can join in the Smartwell community member also. If you are bringing any new partner, tell them to register on Smartwell community also, because there is a basic training which will help them to understand the partner program, to the company, to the projects what we are supporting and everything. So greater outcome with less efforts, which we want, and this is a major advantage you will having of Smart World community as a leader. And you will stop managing 1,000 people, small processes, a little FAQs of the same questions. You can work on more global and strategic tasks. So in a short, what is a platform? It is a training and adaptation platform of Smartwell community. Is a stand-alone IT product that is designed for facilitating the work of leader and curators, accelerated training of new partners, effective development of experienced partners, rapid growth on the SWC business model. And if you register here, how does it will be start? So your journey will be start like, first of all, you will start getting to know the platform. What is this? Then the basic stage will come. In this stage, you will having a basic training of a company, the introduction of the company and the products. First investment, how you can bring first investment, how you can give pitch to one person, how you can bring first partner, attracting new partners, your pitch, your command, everything, then the sales training. And if you go to the advanced stage, there you will be having a training, the team scaling, where how you can scale up your team, what is a partner program, then the investments from big investors and sales in advanced unit. So for the experienced partners, it plays a very good role, how it will be helpful for you. The platform will help free up time for more global and strategic staff, because you can automate the training process for all the members of your team. They will have all the information, uniform information on a one platform, and they will be well trained. So experienced partner, you will also be able to find courses for a higher level in the business model. And that we will talk about a little later when it will be introduced. So we are going to introduce it, and then you will come to know that what I'm talking about, what is the advantage of Smart World community. So we are available in 5 languages: English, Spanish, Vietnamese, Kyrgyz, and Russian. How does the training go? So first of all, you will register on the SWC website, Skyward Community, with your partner and network retained, whichever is your upline. Then you will register on Smartwell community, which is adaptation and training platform. Then your training, you can take the training online from your phone, PC, tablet at any convenient time of yours. Then you will have a mentor also there. There will be homework check, like assignments you will get after the training. Definitely the person who is giving you time, he will see that how much you have got through the training. So there are the assignments also, answer to questions, and then you will get the certifications for your training. So mission of our community is actually to make 10% of the world's population financially independent. So delegate the training of a newcomers to Smartwell community and automate the training of novice partners. And the basic training, most essential about the company and the product information about the partner program for those who have just joined. So it will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. So whenever you bring a new partner, tell them to join Smartwell community also, because it will save your time as a leader, and it will give a very good information and all the knowledge about the company and the product to the new partner. So for the register on the SWC platform, we will give you the link, and this is how you can register. And we start the streams every month. So in any month, you can start it, and you can search for the new courses and you can join them. At each stream, participants will be accompanied by trackers. There will be a tracker. So tracker is a person who will help the people to get the trainings, like with the links or if any information you want to know. So they will help you to understand the training and the platform. So we will train partners for you, and by training and teaching on the platform, you can develop your own career. You can be a mentor, you can be a tracker, you can be a speaker, you can be a community manager. So these are the roles which timely we also put on our official channels, that we need the person for this role in this country or in all countries. So you just need to apply for it, and then your training, do the assignments, and get the certification. Like if you want to be a speaker, if you can speak to an audience on a topic in which you are an expert, like you can be good at digital marketing or anything, the sales training. So you can be a speaker for these topics. If you are good to, if you can help participants receive training, share experience, and achieve results, you can track them, you can motivate them to complete their training, then you can be a tracker here. And after training and certification, you can be employed by SWC. And why I'm saying it, because this is a reason that I showed my certification in the starting, because I feel that it will motivate you, and this is how I get certified. This is how I am employed by SWC. If I can do, you all can do. So this is how we completed our second part. And again, I am requesting that your feedback is very, very important to us, because we want to know from your side what you want to listen, what's the things we can include to give you more clear information about the company, about the product, about the project. So this is a scanner. You need to scan it if somebody has missed it. So second time we are flashing it on the screen. You can scan it, or you can use a link also, which will be put in the chat by my team member, and it will redirect you to the Google form. It is an NPS form, and you can rate this presentation, this info session. You can notify us to our team or to me that you have filled the form. You just need to give us your registration mail ID, your registered mail ID, to get the best deals of SWC packages. For USD packages, you are the best coupons, so you can buy the portions. Now we will, in the third part of our info session, Unitsky String Technology. So this is a major project what we are supporting, and it has reached to the success. We feel very happy and proud that we are supporting this project. And so let's talk about it. First of all, that what is this for newcomers, for the new partners who are just watching us for the first time, so that they can understand it. And after that, I will giving you all the updates that how far we have reached with this project. So this is an international engineering company offering solution in passenger and cargo transportations. So as well as logistic infrastructure of the second level, the name of the technology is USky. Sometimes I encounter with the people who say Skyways, we have rebranding it. So the name is USky, Unitsky String Technology. We all know that the modern transport has lots of problems, not problems, the challenges, like different challenges we have: flood, sandstorms, earthquakes, because we have disturbed the nature a lot. First we did it, and now it's the time of a nature. So with the cargo transportation, we have a lots of problem, huge traffic jams and congestions. On the other side, what UST is offering, it offering a simplified and clear transport alternative. You can see one of our vehicle is on track. It means they are certified and they are ready to use. But how beautiful it seems that you will not get that, okay, somebody or something is transporting from one place to another place. It's so beautiful to see this vehicle. And on the other side, on the left hand side, you can see that how huge traffic jam is there. Even you feel, okay, I don't want to go to office. So with the passenger transportation also, traffic snarls, massive jams we always encounter. And one of the surveys said that 90% of the people, they reach their office late because of traffic jams. There is only 10% reason that you sleep late at night, or you had a function, you had a party or something. 90% the reason is traffic. In the country like India, you can understand it very well. And on the other side, the USky Transport is offering the hassle-free and clean commute. Problem, we have the challenges with logistic also because it impact the market and its prices, product prices also, docking problems, delays in shipping, big queues. On this other side, we have a smooth, fast and cheap shipments, which is affordable for like the country of India, and it will impact the market prices of the product also, and it will help the people to save money. We have existing solutions, but they all are ineffective. Why? They can give you speed, they can give you, okay, the speed or um, on the many parameters, like on safety parameters, UST is far better. On the speed parameter, the UST is far better. But when we say it that we want speed, we want safety, but we want the ecological vehicles. So when we say ecological, which will not disturb our nature and environment, so the nature and the environment, the healthy environment, we can give it to our next generation. Then there is only one solution, which is UST, Unit Distinct Technology. This is the vision and mission of the company, to give good nature and environment to next generation along with the best technology, along with the best speed. So these are the 4 meetings in Belgium, where you can see Miss Cat, our curator. She was there, she was invited there. She uh, attended those meetings, and you can see that it seems that she's very tense, because when she went there, she thought, okay, only her country having the challenges of transportation. But no, when she was there, many country people were there, and they were representing their country, and they all want to know the best solution for the transportation challenges which they have in their countries. So it was she always share her experience in her meeting also, that it was a great meeting where she actually impressed by the technology, and it motivated her to work it and work it more. And now she has having a people or team of 15,000 people. And now she is the curator of, since 4 or 5 years, she is the curator, since 6 years, she is the curator of India. And she is working for India. She is working hard. We should also support her. We should also support this project and technology to make it possible so we can bring this technology in our country. So now we will talk about the what does USky offer? What are the vehicles we do have? So we have a list of the vehicles with us. Simplified solution for cargo and the passenger transportation. There is a list where you can see Unicar, Unibus, and one of our favorite with the highest speed, which is the 500 to 600 kilometer per hour, which is UFlash. We like it more because of its design. It feels so lavish to sit in it and to enjoy the ride. I wish it will be soon in India, and we can have it. We can have the ride in. This is U-Bike and U-Bus. So they are in testing center. They are on tracks, and they are real. They can be used. They are certified. This is U-Car, and this is U-Truck. So one USP of the U-Truck, the main thing about U-Truck, which Miss Cat has seen also in the testing center when she has visited, that it can load and reload just in a 3 seconds. So you just turn your head and your work is done. And it's so fast. U-Trans is mainly for liquid mining purpose. So it's the working picture of U-Trans. It is U-Wind, and it's not helicopter or something, it's a drone. And 1 ton is written here. What does it mean? It means that it is so strengthful that it can lift the weight of 1 ton without any help of pilot or anybody. It can lift the weight of up to 1 ton. So this is the strength of the vehicle. And this is our favorite UFlash. You can see the design, how beautiful it is. So Miss Cat is there, and he's Mr. Christian, one of our colleague, and they were there in the meeting. They and in the exhibition also, where the UFlash has exhibited, and they were very impressed by the technology and impressed by the design of UFlash, and they're showing thumbs up because they know that they are introducing the best thing to the world. This is Yukon, and if you can see this picture on the right hand side, there is something written. Transport net cost from $1 per 100-ton kilometer. What does it mean? It means if you want to transport for 100 kilometer, if you want to transport the weight of 1 ton, 100 ton per kilometer, 1 kilometer, you will cost only $1. In Indian prices, if average I will take, it's 90, it's 83 this time, 83 point something or 84, or just average we take 100. So you can take a, you can assume it, or you can get it that so affordable it is for the country like India, like $1 in 100 rupees, 100-ton weight, you can transport for 1 kilometer. It is a charges for 1 kilometer. So it is affordable also. It's giving you speed, it's giving you good environment to your future generation. It has a solution for all. This is U-Light, it's mainly for remote areas. So seaport, main advantage of using the UST cargo transport system in the seaport is delivery of loose, liquid, and break bulk cargo for the distance of 500 to 10 kilometer and more or short. Linear city in unity with nature. So all these vehicles have the technology of UST. We call it UST technology. And the author of the technology is none other than Mr. Dr. Anatoly Yunitsky. He's a journal designer and the board chairman of Yunitsky Sting Technology, the author of more than 150 inventions, 20 monographs he has written, and the 200 scientific paper in his name. So it's a great achievement. He's a genius person. So 150 inventions, if somebody is having in his name, so we can understand. Because if I ask the people who are watching live or seeing the recording, so maybe you can have the inventions in your name, but I don't have any inventions in my name. But having a 150 is just commendable. She's a better half of Dr. Anatoly, Journal Director Nadreza Kosreva. She takes care of all the business work and he takes care of all the technology works. He's more in technology. Now we will talk about the patents, certificate, and exhibitions. So we have a 130 patents worldwide from China to Australia. It's all on one wall. So there is a picture of that and it seems very beautiful to see them all together. So there is a one slide we have included for the initial design when it was started. Now we have much more advanced vehicles with us. These are the pictures from the international exhibition from Singapore to Berlin, where U-Flash was exhibited. So there is a story behind it, like so when the exhibition was going on, so there is a cloth on U-Flash. It was not revealed to anyone, so everybody was taking the brochure or reading the information about company, about the vehicles. So Dr. Anatoly was also there. They were talking to them. But when it was going to end, so the cloth was taken off and it was U-Flash was revealed to everyone. So everyone was amazed by the design. So it attracts everyone with its design and it has a speed of 500 to 600 kilometers per hour. Definitely it has a higher speed, but the design is wonderful. And the president and CEO, these are the updates for the existing partners who already have invested, and it will motivate them to invest more, definitely, because the project is going far away. So it's reaching to the success. So president and CEO of Infotouch Technologies Group visit U-Sky Transports. These are the pictures and the whole news, the full article, you will get it in your back office also. These are the highlights of this month till now. Prodello published a report on the U4 2020 Unibus. UST hosted the second meeting of the Science and Technology Council in 2024. If you are on official channels, please, if you are not, please subscribe them because all the information, every day we post the news about the projects, about the company. So you will not be the left out person. You will not be the uninformed person. So if you don't have a time to go to your back office, read whole news. So please be on our official channels. The links we will give it to you on the chat. You can subscribe to them. So This is the UST has hosted the second meeting of the Science and Technology Council in 2024. These are the pictures from the meeting. New release of answers to questions about CARET, complex applicability, and the track uniqueness. Also, download the SWC app and get access to the increased discount of up to 175. This is regarding coupons and discount that I will tell you. If you download the SWC app, you can download in your iPhone also and Android also from Google Play Store. So the link also I have put in the official channel. If you want it, then please subscribe to the official channel. You will get the link, or you can go to your back office. You will have it. Download it. If you download it, you will get the reward, the coupon of 1:75, which means in a $1, you will have a 75 portions of USD. So it's a best deal. So it comes around only per portion. It will cost you 1 rupee 10 paisa or 1 rupee 11 paisa. That's it. So Global Transport Investments has published a dividend declaration for 2024. This is the biggest news of the last week and important news for all the investors and the partners. It has a full article. Please go to your back office, because if I give you the whole article, it will take a long time. So this is the highlights I am reading, and go to your back office, go to the official channels. If you don't have a time to log in your back office, please read this news. It will clarify more questions. Maybe as a leader, as an expert, as a topics where you are encounter this question on a daily basis, it will help you to motivate you to get more portions of this technology, and also to bring more people, because we want that nobody should be left out without knowing about this technology. So tell everyone, because GTI has published a dividend declaration for 2024. Now we will talk about the production and results. We have an Eco Techno Park in Marina Gorka. So the picture, if you zoom in, you can have these 7 testing tracks there. The greenery, you can see it here. There are ponds, there are fruit trees, plants, fishes in the ponds. So idea behind to show it to you, first of all, definitely you should know that we have an Eco Techno Park. If any visitor or any person is coming here to see the technology or the vehicles on testing centers, so they should leave with the impression that technology is not always which will harm the nature or the environment. There is a technology which UST has proved it that it can be ecological. We have UST Innovation Center in Sharjah in UAE. So this is the picture, UST Innovation Center in UAE. You can see the left picture. You know that it's very sandy area with a huge temperature, with the heat. On the right hand side, you can see the picture with the beautiful flowers. Everybody is happily facing the camera, and there is a huge difference. Why? Because of our other project, which is Utera project, that is also of that hidden formula, scientific formula of Dr. Anatoly. And it is a biohumus fertilizer, and you will get all the details about it in back office. Till 30th September, you can invest in this project, because already the funding is going to be closed, and it's the second best project what we are supporting. Okay, so now we will come to the office and employees of UST, Unitsky String Technology. This is the official building of UST, which is in Belarus. And we have in our own production in Belarus with more than 600 employees. And now it is increasing day by day, because many engineers are getting training. So they are getting ready for the future transportation technology. What is this? How it can be implemented? So everything. So it has reached to much more. With the data this time, we have a plus 600 employees. And you can reach to us at info@unitsky.com. It is if you want to write something to the company. And it's in a Saint Minsk, Republic of Belarus. These are the pictures from the testing center. This is about UST. We have our own factory. First, we had this area only, white and blue. But then every country, this technology attracts many countries and they want it for their country also. So we have to extend the area. These are the workers and the engineers which are working on vehicles and making it day by day more flexible or more in a working system, more working for the people. Now we will talk about that we are well understood. USky is well understood and established now, because more than 150 international delegations have visited the USky Center and the production in Belarus since 2014. So it's a 2024. In just a time of 10 years, if we talk about any technologies attracting more than 150 international delegations, so you can understand that, yes, it has a strength. It is something the best. You can go to the website if you are having a engineer mind, or you want to know everything about these vehicles, more about company. So it's ust.inc. You can go there. You can read about news. You can read about company. You can read about the vehicles also. So the Dr. Anatoly has its own page on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So my humble request, please go there, show your regards, because this man has given 40 years of his life to this technology to make our life simpler, even our next generation life simpler with a good environment and good nature. So we always think about saving the planet, saving the environment, good air, good water. So thanks to him that he is giving his time and energy to these things to us, because whenever he said once that whenever I get the good comments or they are happy with my work, it motivates me a lot. So say them hello, give your regards to him. It will motivate him and it will help us. So your feedback is very important to us. Again, this is a scanner. If somebody joined late, please scan it. It will redirect you to the Google form, and it is a NPS form. You just need to give the rating to this info session, to the presentation. Just notify us. Just let us know that you have filled the form. Give your registered mail ID. So our curator will give you the one best offer and the best deals in your back office. If you haven't joined yet our official channels, these are the scanners. Link also we will put in the chat. You can use the link also. On a Telegram, we are available. On SWC with the name of SWC India on Facebook. On Instagram, we are available with the swc.in, SWC India. So these are the official channels. Any news on these channels are official. Again, the SkyWorld community, we create the future and finance it. On behalf of my curator and the top expert and me, behalf of me, speaker and community manager for India, thank you so much for joining us in this info session. If you're live here, if you're watching the recording, then thank you so much for watching the recording. Please give your like it. Please give your comment, comments in the comment section. We will be happy to receive your reactions. And if you want to contact us, you can contact us on india@skyway.capital. Our admin team, me, our curator will try our level best to answer you with each and every question, which will help you to understand the projects, about the company, about projects, about upcoming opportunities also, which you can avail. Thank you so much again. This is contact number. This is the contact number of Ms. Kat. It is available on WhatsApp. And the social media scanners I have shown you. If you want, I can show it one more time. And the links you can get it in the chat.